Hello children, I hope you all are doing very well. Today we are going to learn a new lesson in Buddhism book. Primary 4 Buddhism first term. The Buddhist way of life. Chapter 6 Returning home. A scheme of work reference, page 13 to 14. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, the children will be able to understand about returning home of the Buddha, twin miracle Yama Mahapelahara, Pintapatha, and the Buddha's clan. Returning home. After the enlightenment, the Buddha was returning to Rajagaha. On hearing that the Buddha was preaching in Rajagaha, King Suddhodana sent messenger after messenger inviting the Buddha to Kapilavattu. Who did send messengers and to whom? Can you tell me the answer? But none of the messengers came back to the king. They were listening to Dhamma, preaching of the Buddha, hence did not pass the message to the Buddha. Okay children, now tell me, did the messengers pass the message to the Buddha? Why didn't they pass the message? I hope you all can answer for those questions. Next. Finally, the king sent Kaludai, a playmate of Prince Siddhartha, inviting the Buddha to Kapilavattu. The Buddha received the message and finally agreed to go to the palace. Now tell me, who was the playmate of Buddha? And did the Buddha accept the invitation of the king? The king made arrangements for the Buddha to stay in the Nigroda Park. When the people heard that the Buddha had come to Kapilavattu, they flocked to the town to see him. They remembered him as a young prince, as one of their own kinsmen, a cousin, a brother, a nephew, and a relative. Okay children, now tell me, where did the king make arrangements for the Buddha to stay? And also, how did the people remember about the Buddha? They were just looking at him. They did not believe or understand that he was the enlightened one, the Buddha, the all-knowing sage. The Buddha, through his mental capacities, knew this situation. Therefore, the Buddha performed the twin miracle, Yama Mahapelahara, which ultimately made them accept him as the Buddha, the enlightened one. They worshipped the Buddha. The king too offered his salutation. Okay children, what is the meaning of twin miracle? The Buddha performs the twin miracle with water pouring from his feet and flames exciting from his shoulders. The miracle itself is said to have been performed twice, with the Buddha performing it once at his hometown of Kapilavasthu before performing the main miracle at Savatthi. It is considered to have been Gautama Buddha's greatest miracle and something that can only be performed by fully enlightened Buddhas. Now tell me, what did the Buddha perform? And after seeing twin miracle, what did people do? The next day, the Buddha, together with the priest, went to the street with an alms bowl begging food. This is called Pindapata. The king was ashamed. He walked to the Buddha and asked him, "Why do you disgrace the Shakya clan? There is so much food in the palace. You are a prince. Why do you put me to shame?" The members of the Shakya clan never beg for food. Okay, children, what is the meaning of Pindapata? Food being offered to the Buddha. It means the fact to go to receive some food while silently waiting in front of someone's house, holding the bowl in front of someone, ready to lift up the lid as soon as someone comes close to for offering food. That is called Pindapata. Okay, children, now tell me, why was king feel ashamed? And what did he ask from the Buddha? The Buddha said, "It is not putting you into shame. It is our custom, the custom of the Buddha clan." The king invited the Buddha to the palace for alms. The Buddha agreed to go to the palace the next day. Okay, children, now tell me, did Buddha accept the king's invitation? And what did the Buddha say to the king after the king asked him to stop begging food? Okay, children, I hope you all understood the lesson, and please read the lesson in your textbook and try to do the activities. Goodbye.